Is your Windows 11 laptop slow, laggy, or taking forever to open apps? Before you spend money on a new laptop, watch this. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you simple but powerful steps to make your Windows 11 PC faster. So, what will we do? We will clean junk files, stop useless apps, and change one setting that boosts your performance instantly of your Windows. So for the first step, step one is disable startup apps. Many apps start automatically when you turn on your laptop and then slow everything down. So in order to disable this, what you have to do is just press Control Shift and ESC button. So this opens your task manager where you can see all your apps start that are running on the backgrounds. Like currently I have 147 apps and softwares that are running in my background, so which is unnecessary, and this will lead your laptop slow down, Windows slow down. So you can disable the apps that you don't need from here. You can disable every apps that you don't need from here, like apps anywhere. I don't need this. So you can just in the in task, binding task, your apps will stop working on the background. So basically what are the things you have to disable is like launchers, auto updaters, and apps you rarely use. You can disable those apps, and fewer apps, it will make your laptop faster boot, less RAM uses, and your laptop feels smoother while using. But don't disable antivirus or system apps. Like you can see, I have here Kaspersky running, so I won't disable this. So don't disable antivirus or any system apps. Okay, so moving forward, we have our step two, clean temporary files. Windows stores chunk files that you don't need anymore. So what you can do is for this, you have one method that's press Windows plus R. It will open your run and then you can type temp and then press enter and you can delete everything from here. Whatever you have your temporary files, you can delete everything. And after deleting everything, you can again repeat with the another process called %temp%. Just type %temp% and delete again if it is not deleted at once. If some files don't delete, skip them. That's normal. So moving towards our next method, what you can do is just go to the search bar and type settings and go to, and what you can do is go to system and just go to storage. So what are the temporary files? Like you can see my laptop has a huge storage like 441 GB used out of 453 GB. And in this area, storage area, you have to go to temporary files. Here you can see temporary files. You just click on it after it finishes, says it's loading. So now here I'm in the temporary files, and here what you can do is just click on this remove files. Just click on the remove files so that every temporary files gets removed. You can do any process like the previous method I showed you, like temp. You can do that too, or you can just simply search system, go to storage, and then go to temporary files. And inside temporary files, you can just click on remove files button. This will free your storage. This will improve the speed of your Windows, and it's safe to delete. Now, moving towards step three, what we have is just search performance. Performance, or sorry, performance. Yeah, just search the performance and click adjust the best appearance and performance of the window. Click this both, right? Click one of these and then just click apply. And what happens by doing this is your PC may look simpler, but it will run faster. So this was a short visual effect. This turn off your visual effect of your laptop, which will make your windows look nice, but animations slow down older laptops. If your laptop is newer, there's no problem. But if there is older laptops, animation may slow down. So by going to performance and you can adjust the appearance, click on those two buttons, then your PC will look simpler and it will run faster. So the next step is change power mode. This setting alone can boost performance instantly. So for this, what you have to go is just go to settings as we did before and go to your system. And then there will be your power and battery. Just click on that and then just click on power mode. After you go to power and battery, just click on the power mode here and then currently my laptop is plugged in. Now, if I plug it off, then the power mode, you can click the power mode 2. You can get your power mode to best performance, right? You can get your power button to best performance, and after that, we have our next step: update Windows and drivers. So what you can do is go to settings and go to your system and go to your Windows update. Your Windows update will be here. See, Windows update. Go to Windows update and then check for updates. Just click on check for updates. And if you get any updates, you can just install those. Install everything. This will fix bugs, whatever you have on your laptop, and it will give you a better performance and it will improve the stability of your Windows. So here you can see I have got a new update which I need to install. So you guys also can keep checking. And I have a bonus tip for the storage sense. Turn this on and Windows will clean itself automatically. Like what you can do is go to settings and go to storage and then go to the storage sense. Here you see storage sense. You can turn on this. What happens with this is turn this on and Windows will clean itself automatically. Windows will clean your storage space automatically by understanding that yeah, you need to free space free up space and delete some temporary files and manage locally available cloud contents. Yeah, so after doing these steps, your laptop should boot faster, feel smoother, and respond quicker. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for simple tech tips every week, comment your laptop model below. I reply to everyone. This was all for today. Have a great evening. Thank you.